Hey, ladies and gentlemen, today I'm going to be taking you through a tutorial on how to download the app, the mobile app, so you guys can have access to all of your PLF crypto products on the go. I'm also going to be showing you how to log in for the first time for some of your programs and just everything that you need to know so that you don't feel lost and confused. So, guys, whether you have a iPhone or an Android, you guys need to make it over to the App Store, whatever you have. And at that point, what you're going to do is input Thinkific. So I'm going to give you some time to do that. Okay, so once you input Thinkific, this should come up. This is how you know you're at the right place. Okay, so once you guys put that in, what you're going to do is you're going to input Plfcrypto as your community. And then it's going to ask you to continue. So once you continue, guys, you're going to be prompted to sign in. This is what you're going to use, the email and password that you created when you purchased your program. So if you already had a program and you purchased a new program, you're going to use the same email and password before. If this is your first time creating a password, look inside your email, check your spam. It's going to ask you to create a password for the first time. This is the password that you're going to use whenever you buy any products, right? So if you're already signed in and you see a product that you like, you don't have to create a new email and password. Okay, that is how you use the mobile app. Stay tuned. I'm going to show you how to join the weekly live sessions and how to catch the previous recordings and join live every single Saturday. Okay, so if you made it to the landing page of the weekly live mentorship, and it's your very first time, you're going to input all of your information. Or if you would like to make it easier for yourself, you can sign in with Google, Apple, Indeed, or Facebook. But if not, you're going to input your email, first name and last name. If you have a coupon, you'll put that there. You'll put in all of your credit card information, and then you're going to click complete purchase. Once again, if this is your very first time and you click complete purchase, you have to go and check your email. Your email is going to give you your confirmation, but it's also going to prompt you to create a password. So once you create that password, each and every time you sign in for any of your programs, you're going to use one email and the password that you created. The same works if you are going to buy multiple products. You're going to use the same email and the same password. So once you're done with your purchase and you went and created a password, what you're going to do is sign in. On your dashboard, you should see weekly live sessions. You're going to click it and it should bring you here. Now, once again, if it's your first time, there is a contract that you must sign, and it's not going to allow you to see anything else until you sign that contract. So it says, please sign and submit ASAP. You're going to click on that. You're going to sign the contract. You're going to submit it. Beneath this area, you're going to see Zoom links. This is going to be Zoom links for each and every Saturday in which we meet, and also Wednesdays for back testing. Beneath the Zoom link is where you're going to see previous session recordings. This is where you're going to catch up on all previous sessions as well as the one you missed. And if you just want to replay one that you did attend already, you're always going to be here. So guys, it's always a drop down. Pay attention, it's right over to the left. In addition to that, there's a weekly live members community. You can click go to the community. In your mobile app, you'll see it as well. You'll have access to everything that you do via web and mobile app. So this is how you navigate the weekly live session, guys. And stay tuned. We're going to go over to the bootcamp and then the signals. Okay, guys, so the process is the same at checkout. If you were to purchase signals or if you were to purchase bootcamp, you're going to meet this checkout. And once you finish your purchase, if it's your first time, you will have to create an email, a password for your email. Everything will be emailed to you, and this will bring you over to your dashboard. Some of you have multiple products, so your dashboard looks a bit colorful, and everywhere, anytime, no matter what. Anytime you sign in, guys, you should see all of the courses or products you're enrolled in, right? So if you were to purchase the signals and you finished the checkout and you completed your password setup, you would click signals. Now, the signals does require you to submit two particular things. Now, the first thing says action required. You're going to click that drop down and it says, please submit proof of minimum deposit. So there's a minimum deposit. It says it here. And what you have to do is simply take a screenshot and you're going to click to upload the file here. Once you click to upload the file, it will be sent to a member. They will look at it and they will approve it. There's something else that you have to submit besides the deposit. It says final step. You have to click this link to sign up for the general Discord, right? It's right here in this link. When you're finished with that, it says to also submit a screenshot of your Discord name. So if you guys are not in the general Discord, then I won't be able to find you to insert you into the US30 Signals group because it's a private group. So that's the 3 steps that you have to complete, guys. Number 1, you have to submit proof that you made your minimum deposit. Final step, add yourself to the general Discord using this link and also upload a screenshot of your Discord name. Once that is complete, you will be automatically inserted into the Discord, the private Discord, which is, it's always going to be on the side here. So it's going to be right here on the side. And I'll show you that. Go down, find community, right here at community, and this is where you're going to find the US30 signals right above general. So once you guys have completed all of that, you're going to be all set for the signals. Stay tuned. I'm going to show you how to navigate the US30 Bootcamp. So at your dashboard, guys, you're going to click this US30 Bootcamp. Now, some of you are having issues because number 1, you have to submit the contract, right? And then there's also assignments within the US30 Bootcamp that you have to complete and submit. If you don't complete and submit the assignments, then you won't be able to proceed. So look out closely for that. If you're having issues proceeding with the program, you have to definitely make sure you're uploading your assignments and that they are approved. And then we also have the mentorship program, the full-time mentorship course. This also requires you to submit assignments. So if you're having issues pushing forward, it's because you simply have to submit those assignments. How do you submit those assignments, guys? You have to click it and upload it and submit it. And that's how you'll be able to upload everything and push forward. Thank you guys so much for being a part of the community. And I hope this video helps a great deal. Have a wonderful day.